Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to yet another vlog of Electropixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this 32-inch Sony Smart Android LED TV with the fault white shaded picture with no graphics, then the TV turns to 5 times red light blinking mode. As we discussed earlier, the reason for this fault is mainly because of Tcon board problem. It's a common fault in this model panel, so here this panel supports 3D feature. So here it's better to install an alternate modified Tcon board of same brand. Here in this TV it's equipped with a AUO panel, so here we are going to use this small same brand another AUO Tcon board. Here in this particular model Tcon board, actually it doesn't support 3D features, that's the only problem. Otherwise this Tcon doesn't have any common complaints. Anyway, we need to perform a small modification to use this Tcon board. You need to block the last 14 pins using taping method from the LVDS cable opposite to supply side as we shown in the video. See like this. There will be no difference in the picture quality, but the Sony TV logo will not appear in this Tcon. The TV Startup logo will be missing for this Tcon board, otherwise this Tcon board will work perfectly. So that's it, now the picture comes and the TV started working normally. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching.